Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the cover image of a Trello card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Trello as a content calendar and you want to add the thumbnails as the cover images for all these Trello cards. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Trello, then go ahead and access the Trello board whose cards you want to go and edit. So let's take this card here, for example. Click on that card, and in the upper right-hand corner, click on cover. And then here you could actually upload a default cover from Unsplash, or you can upload a cover image yourself. So if I click on upload a cover image, let's actually go ahead and choose this one here. You'll see that I've now changed the cover image to be this here. So if you click on exit, you can see that now this is the cover image of this Trello card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the cover image of a Trello card. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.